That's a German sub, a German torpedo. That was an Allied supply ship. Those are British, Dutch, Norwegians, Americans. And this is a shore, New York, USA, and a place for those same guys to hang their hats. Their Merchant Seaman Club, founded by the British actress Constance Collier, just for them. Only seamen in active service can get past the doorman and into the game rooms to play cards and have laughs with Hollywood and Broadway stars who nightly conspire to make their seafaring friends forget what's behind and ahead. And they get it for free.
Say, fellas, I just want to say that Soglo, the caricaturist, you know, the creator of the famous Little King, well, Mr. Soglo is at the food bar, and he wants to draw pictures of any of you men, and we'll send the pictures home for you.
Isn't that wonderful?
Fine.
Does it look just like him?
Well,
come on now. Who's next to have his picture drawn? Mr. Soglo will do any man in the place.
This is quite a nice change from drawing merchant seamen.
I am a merchant seaman.
What?
Yes, I am a third mate on a Russian boat and just as much a merchant seaman as any of them.
How do you do, Miss Orlikova? Mr. Soglo, this is Miss Valentina Orlikova of the Soviet Merchant Marine.
How do you do?
How do you do?
Oh, I'm awfully sorry I'm late. I'm supposed to meet that Russian girl. Oh, I'm Shirley Booth. Projalesta to the Merchant Seamen's Club. Projalesta, skadzita, nieskolko slav tovarisham. I just asked Miss Orlikova to say a few words to you boys. I said it in Russian.
I know you from the radio, Miss Booth. You are Miss Duffy on Duffy's Tavern? No? Yes. I laugh very much.
Oh, you did? Oh, that's wonderful.
And would you say a few words to the boys now?
It is funny. I am at ease on my boat, but I am nervous here.
Oh, no, don't be nervous.
Are you married?
Yes, I am. My husband is third mate like me. He is a good boxer, too.
Oh. There's one thing I was wondering about. Don't you have a lot of trouble? I mean, a woman officer in charge of men. Don't you have difficulty asserting your authority?
That is what I was trained for. I went in Leningrad to the Marine Engineering School. It is there I met my husband.
You Russian women make me feel kind of helpless.
There is no difference, except that we have the enemy closer. That gives us bigger reasons to fight for our children, our homes.
Yes, you have a baby, haven't you?
A son, 2.5 years old. He is in a town the Nazis have occupied. He is one of the big reasons.
Boys, do you realize that Miss Orlikova has been standing watch on our boat until 8 o'clock tonight?
That's tough. I was going to ask her to dance.
Oh, I am not too tired for that.
Come on. Do you know, that's the first time I've danced with a third mate.
Okay.
Come on.